Oops. Okay. Hey everyone. So first of all, pardon my voice. I've been sick all week and this is just what it is. So this is exercise 3 from team 3, which is Freddie, Mark, Nathan, myself, and Sophie. So evaluating data quality. There's 2 factors that contribute to poor data quality, and these are inaccurate data and inconsistent data. So how to measure these selected quality factors are the ratio of data to errors that are found, the number of empty values, so inputs that don't have outputs, and then data transformation error. So that is human error that has been put in incorrectly. So then quality improvement plan to remedy data quality issues. So our plan is to fix issues manually by working directly with the source. And that also comes into play with data cleaning as we get into our assessment. So understanding data characteristics and distribution, data types, and missing data. So the data types are entity and code with varchar. And then the types that we're analyzing are hydropower, solar, wind, and others. So these are renewable resources that we are analyzing for Coca-Cola. And then missing data. So in the years 2019 and 2020 through 2022 for every country are not included in our data set that I'll show in a second. And not all countries are included in the data set as well. There's a lot of them, but not all of them. So this is directly from SASVIA, but I'm also going to show where we get that from. So going to SASVIA for Learners. My Wi-Fi is very slow, I'm sorry. And then we go to Explore and Visualize. Start with data, data sources, my file, and then modern renewable energy. This keeps popping up, I'm not really sure what that means. And then we go over here and sample data. So as you can see, even with just a sample, we have Africa, Algeria, and those are the only out of the first 100 rows that it shows. And then there's years all the way from the 60s until, I think in this sample it shows till 2018. So then we can see that we're missing data from 2019 and beyond. And there have been a lot of technological advances in renewable resources since 2018, but this is the data that we have and that we're going to analyze for our project, and hopefully we can make some forecasting as well. Thank you.